What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we are at No Fly. We said we wouldn't run, but we said fuck it. Stock clutches are pretty much on their way out. So we swapped over to the carbon brakes, took off our Willwoods with the scallop rotors. As you can see, they're very, very small, and we don't know if it's good for 180 mile an hour pass, especially at the current weight that the car is in. The car's still very heavy, so we don't want to chance it. So we're throwing the carbons back up. Carbons are on, we're bled. We're gonna throw the turn down back on, and then we're gonna go out there for a couple passes, and we're gonna give all they can give now with the stock clutch. We'll see how much they last. Anyway, wish us good luck. Stavros and Kyle, they're looking for the 4-inch V-band clamp that I had here somewhere. I thought I had it. Gotta find it somewhere for the exhaust. Anyway, guys, welcome back. But we're gonna have some fun today, guys. We're gonna go out there with the RS3 and we're just gonna fucking send it. So wish us luck, all right? So Christine GTR Killer Pittman is going up against Alex Choi in his Lambo. This is the hybrid car that just went 9.6 yesterday. Let's see what she does against the VF supercharged Lambo.
Holy shit.
152.
Yeah!
Hold on, Christine, where are you going?
I'm going to race one more time.
Did you just take a supercharged V10 Huracan to GAPPLEBEEZ
Absolutely.
with a 4-door sedan?
Absolutely.
I'll see you after your race.
All right,
We'll talk
cool.
more. All right, thanks.
So, are you ready?
So,
Yeah.
we're about pretty much done for the rest of the day. So we came over with shot clutches. The clutches are pretty much shot, and I had to do rolling half mile, couldn't do standing. And it was grabbing on the top end, still slipping. But man, I never did a rolling half mile before. You go a lot faster. So today we went 186 in the silver sedan. She's back there. Low end is pretty much garbage, but the top end, I guess it's good enough to hold in, and we were on the roll.
Dude, I gotta wrap my car now.
What, silver?
I gotta wrap it some color because
What?
these people out here are catching on to us, man. Anyway,
So
they're like, hey, you want to race? They're like, nah, man. Like, my blinker fluid's out. I gotta like get some more blinker fluid in. Like, you're like, is that even a thing?
what did you? So Hank, what did you run today?
184 was my fastest pass. So,
That's awesome. So
we're going out. We're trying to get the car out to Maryland on Monday to go see if we can get it to 8. So I don't really want to hurt it that bad.
So
Yeah,
I gotta make a decision now.
went faster.
Here's the thing though, but we gotta make a choice. So we gotta make a decision now for everyone. Are we doing brand new stock clutches in there, or are we doing the clutch upgrade and keeping them
I
stock?
did some upgrade clutches, yeah.
All right.
We're gonna get you into 1,000 kit this winter.
Oh god damn it! I was trying to save some money this year for Christmas. But anyway, guys. So say hello to Jeff and Josh. These are the magicians back there, along with the other mechanics that are back there at RS Motorsports that make the magic happen. They came today. They dominated. Some of the fastest car at this event. 4-door sedans hitting plus 180. Tim's car, if you saw, actually Christine was the driver. She actually ran 175 plus in a hybrid turbo. That's RS Motorsports' new Zona Rotor hybrid turbo kit that they set out to utilize a factory housing, and they're making phenomenal power. They also broke, if you guys saw our last video, they broke the quarter-mile stock block half record at what'd they go? 196 at what? 140.
146.
146 at 9.6. So unfortunately, like you guys saw in our last video, we had some trans issues, some clutch issues. I think the stock clutches are pretty much done. I think it's about time we upgrade. So we'll be upgrading the clutches, making sure that the trans is okay first, and then we'll go along, upgrade the clutches. We're gonna keep the motor stock. I know I said I was gonna build it after November.
Or maybe throwing another set of stock clutches back in. We've talked about that too.
You tell you what, I want to upgrade too, and I want to see what the stock motor is capable of. We know that the stock clutches can't hold. Throwing another set, we're just gonna wrap them up. We're just gonna rip them up more prematurely now. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just go with aftermarket clutches and see what the stock motor can hold. So we're gonna send it. We're gonna throw some aftermarket clutches in it within the next month, and then we're gonna go back to the quarter mile and see what a stock block RS3
Do you
can
think
really
you
do.
can beat 151? Because I did 151 yesterday.
All right, so I ran 150 on one of the traps, and Stav ran 151. On the half mile on the same file, I ran 169. He ran like 170 plus on his. And then I went back on a higher boost setting where I roasted my clutches and I ran 175.
I thought you would have won 180-ish.
I didn't want him running on the same file because I didn't need him beating me so he could talk shit.
The truth finally comes out.
Anyway, guys, this is George. This is Malaka Motorsports. This is us at Omega Motorsports. We had some fun today. Thank you, guys. Oh, do you have the receipt for it?
I gave it to you.
Oh, you gave it to me? Do we have it? Do you have it? Oh no, I left it in the car. We'll stick a screenshot up of our 186 pass receipt from Omega Motorsports. It's a rolling half mile, it's not standing. So I'm pretty sure that...
Stage 2 at 91.
Oh, so Kyle, stage 2 on 91, went 152.43 full interior. That's pretty impressive.
With an airbag over the air filter.
Anyway, guys, we're out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll have some video up here shortly. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.
I am not one to give second chances. You only got one life, take advantage. No, I will not sit by, I demand it. You cannot stop my drive, I command it. I just wanna make it right. I always put up a fight. I will never lose my sight. I know I need you by my side. I have nothing else to hide. I've got it wrong and got it right. I've told the truth, I've told some lies. I live some days, then others die. If I want it, then I'll get it somehow. Want it, then I'll get it, no doubt. Cause I will never let me down. No, I will never let me down.